Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Project Too Much. And today, as you can tell, I am over in my castle, so I'm going to be working on this today. And I have set up one little section of the wall, and I'm going to make one more today, like in the video, and then I'm thinking I'm going to finish at least the wall up to there off camera. I just want to give you guys like a little small piece of it so that you can understand the process behind it, and then I'm going to go off camera and build the rest of the wall. I might build the towers on camera maybe in another episode, but especially with my last video called Village Building, I spent way too much time building and didn't spend enough time just showing off what I had built and not how I got there, but yeah, you guys understand what I'm trying to say. I need to focus more on the showcasing, less on the building. So I'm just going to give you guys a little bit of a front view for the wall. So it's got like a little notch at the top. I don't know, just adds a little bit of depth to it. And I can definitely tell that my building skills have improved a ton since I set up this first section of wall, where it's like, yeah, that looks cool. Now it's like, I got these cool little decorations, I got some leaves with glowstone for extra light, got like a little base to the wall, although it kind of got smushed because I wasn't planning on making it so short. But anyways, here's the view from the top. I just kind of like these little, I forget what the technical term is, but it's like you can protect yourself and hide behind these, or you can shoot down very close to the wall. And it's just a lot of fun to build stuff like this, especially castles. I've always really been into castles. So there were two things that I did when I first started playing Minecraft. One of them was make giant holes with TNT, and the other one was build floating castles up in the sky. Although they were nothing like these castles that I'm building now. They were just made out of solid stone. They were perfect squares, but I was really proud of them. So anyways, without further ado, let's get into the building of this. So I'm just going to start off by making a solid wall in the part that is not going to be taken up by the leaves or by the little base section, I guess you could say. So I can get rid of these stone slabs and pull out my spruce wood. Get some spruce wood. Let's see. How much higher do I need to go? So I'm thinking of doing this section one block lower than up there, just because it's kind of going down the hill a little bit. And I don't want to make the wall too tall, but I also don't want to make it too short like I did with the first little section. So, and then also just the uneven ground kind of makes it a little bit difficult to put the stone slabs in, so I just kind of had to guess where I wanted those. So we'll see once I get this section done. I might need to do like a little bit of landscaping to kind of get it to work the way I want it to. But we'll worry about that when we get to it. So I just need to finish filling in the wall. Not filling in, but building up. Oh, that's right. I need to leave off the top two blocks of the very outside, because that is where I'm going to be putting the stairs indent. Let's see, is this the right height? No, that is too short, I think. No, I do want it this deep because I'm making it one block shorter than the previous section. So then, yes, that is the way I want to do this. So I'm going to need to craft some more stairs. I did not get all the materials I wanted together, but I did as best as I could with the time I had. Okay, I jumped down here. This is the outside. Those 3 blocks are the outside. So I'm going to go over like this. I don't know if I want to have this section of the wall completely flat, like all the way across, or if I want to have... I think I'm just going to make each section be completely flat, and then do some little, not details, but I'm having problems finding the word I want to use today. Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna go craft some more stairs and then get back to the building. So in my just normal YouTube news, I got a Mac Mini, so now I'm playing my Xbox right next to my computer, so I'm able to do some things like edit them faster instead of having to wait for the computer to be free to use. And so hopefully I'll be able to start putting out some more videos, and then eventually I really want to get live streams going, because for a bigger build like this, instead of making a big, huge, long video, I'm thinking of probably doing a second channel just for live streams, and then do like the big builds on a live stream so you guys can see all the steps behind the process instead of just this one little section of wall and then me cutting to the end where it's finished. But something for the future. Probably good. I'm gonna need some more stairs again though. I keep thinking I have enough, but I never really do. So I'm gonna work on the base of the wall really quick. Just pull out my glowstone, down in here, and let's see, up at the top I've got, on the other side I put some stone bricks, not stone brick, just stone slabs, kind of to make it look like it's supported, because making things not as realistic as possible, but look as realistic as possible, I guess you could say, makes it look much nicer and cleaner. That was all my leaves, so kind of lucky that I did not run out of leaves up until that point, because I don't have any more oak trees nearby. That would have been kind of sad, having to run all the way over, or just end up cutting the video to when I get more oak leaves, because I have noticed that when I use the program for editing my videos, sometimes the quality takes a little bit of a jump down, and that's kind of sad, because on some of the videos, I spent a fair bit of time editing them, and it's like, oh look, all your progress, haha, nope, you failed. Now the quality is poor. Ah, I don't have any stone bricks, so I will need to go over to, need to go over to my chests over here and get some more stone bricks. Not stone bricks, stone slabs. I keep getting them confused. So I've kind of laid out this little palette, I guess you could say, for the whole building of the wall. And I have a lot of stone because I just want to be able to craft it into whatever, either stone bricks or stone slabs. I don't want to have it committed to one thing or the other just yet, because you can't change it back once you change it to one of those two. Let's see, I'm also going to need, no, I have enough stairs. Why was I going to say that I need more stairs? I've got plenty of stairs. I'm just going to run on top of the little side thing. Okay, there we go. So that is one little section of the wall done. There's probably going to be at least like 10 more. So I will come back to you guys once I get the other sections finished. So just wanted to give you guys one last little look. One last little look here. And so this kind of design, it's really nice because it's infinitely expandable. You can just start adding more sections, and it'd be a lot easier if I were doing this on PC and had MC Edit, so I could just like copy and paste basically. Maybe one day when I'm playing in creative mode and I I can have mods. Anyways, see you guys once I get the other sections done, or at least get enough that it looks not complete, but looks a little bit more finished, and then I can maybe work on the tower. So, see you guys then. Okay, so I'm back, and as you can probably tell, gotten quite a few sections of the wall done, including a little tower here, and then a little tower there. And so I've continued the wall nearly all the way back up to the main base tower, and then I've just kind of made like a little ramp at the end so that you can get on and back off again. And so you're probably wondering, how am I going to protect this area? And so the answer is I'm going to make a smaller wall all the way around the outside, and I'm thinking I'm going to remove the defenses from this first, like the defenses and possibly even the windows from the first layer of this castle, and then just kind of run this into it and have like a bigger building, and then have the tower coming out the top. I don't know, we'll see how this goes, but that's just sort of my plan for the future. And so I just wanted to mention really quick that sorry for not posting very many videos. I know it's like anytime I have the time, the rest of my family is doing something noisy, so we're trying to get set up a little recording area for me so that I can actually be able to record even while they're trying to do things. And yeah, anyways, so this is what the towers look like. They got little arrow loops so you can shoot outside. And then on this taller portion of the wall here, I put some little it's like about 2/3 of the way down. It like sticks out a little bit, and then there's some more supports on it. So I'm thinking I might even want to make like a little reservoir on one side and make it kind of look like a dam from out here. I don't know, just a plan for the future. So then this is the main tower, and I was originally thinking I wanted to make it like an actual tower. And there's like not very many castles actually have those. They may have like one little watchtower over here and then the main one. But a lot of the little connecting parts between the walls are just these shorter things with a higher wall, and just so it's more defended and you can still like shoot out and stuff. So, yeah. Well, this is the wall so far. And, oh, I also wanted to say, so since I got my new computer, I have gotten it set up so that I can do live streaming. And so I'm thinking I'm going to start a second channel just for live streaming, like especially for these bigger builds like this, where instead of just cutting out most of the footage or just not recording it at all, I'll have a second channel for like the full thing. So it would show me building all the different sections of the wall, trying to figure everything out, like where I was figuring out I wanted to make a wider base at the bottom along down here, and then going back through afterwards and then adding in these little supports and stuff like that. So yeah, make sure to like and comment and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I will be trying to make more and posting them more regularly until school starts, but my family is trying to go on as many little road trips and stuff as we can. But anyways, see you all next time. Bye!